Hello everybody, today we are going to explain and explore a new plugins that we didn't use them in last video. If you didn't see the video of the last previous one, I recommend you to watch it to understand more about the plugins and about subscriptions. So today we are going to explore and explain a new plugins, and I am sure that if you know how to use them, you will be more protective. So let's explore this plugin. There is an AI for that. So for example, if you want an application in AI and you are searching for it but you can't find it, so I recommend you to use this plugin. Just click on this and make sure there's no other plugins, and I recommend you to use this prompt. For example, search in AI that help me to generate in images for free. Just try it like that. What do you want? You want them free. You want to generate images. You want to generate videos, something like that. Just let's enter now, and let's wait for the result. Now it's using the plugin. Yes. Oh, okay. Let's dismiss this one. Okay. Wow. Free image, customize image generation with a variety of options. Scum, generate HD images with the endless style. Wow. This plugin is really amazing. OpenAI generate images for website. Stock AI generate. Oh, very impressive plugin. I recommend you to use this plugin. First time I see this website, let's click this website. For example, it will direct you to this website, and then you click here, visit website, and then it will open a new page. Here just okay, let's generate. So that's this. Okay, wow, amazing image. Nice. Well, you can use this website to search for an AI apps. Okay, let's go for another plugin which is more interesting. Okay, this one is AskYourPDF. So for example, if you have a PDF and you want to ask it any questions related to that PDF, what you guys to do it is for example, let's get the PDF. For example, this one, you need to make sure that PDF ends with PDF. Okay, now let's ask to do an action for us. For example, what is this PDF about? And give me a brief about this book, this PDF book in this URL. You need to make sure that you mention the URL and let the AI or the plugin do its work. Because of the PDF is large, the PDF is children book titled Water by the Albert and is illustrated by wow, about water cycle. Nice. Rain. Wow, interesting water cycle, as we can see. Wow, and what an amazing plugin that you can use it. Okay, let's move another one which is more interesting, which is WebPilot. So actually what is it will browse a web page. Okay, a web page, PDF data, anything that in the URL it will provide you data. You want to generate an article, one URL or more than URL. So for example, let's take this URL, and for example, let's ask it a question: what does this website contain about? Okay, so we will mention the website. Let's press enter. So what's going on is using this pilot. It will search about this website. Okay. Monkey pin story title: do you wonder about rain, snow, sleet, and hail? Oh, and Halloween. Wow, free children book. Wow, the book covers following cover and give us the topics. Think. Wonderful. Please note. Okay, nice. And thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed and learned many things in this video. Please subscribe and like if you found this content is helpful for you, and see you. Bye bye.